What's good with y'all? What's good? We back with another video. Y'all can see today we got an interior video going on. They probably gonna be either a 2 or 3 part video because, man, I know I'm not about to get all this done today. So my plan today is go ahead and take the seats out. Probably pull the carpet up, and then we're gonna leave it right there today. So I'm gonna show y'all that process. Pretty simple. I'm getting rid of these seats. So they got to go, you know. I probably sell them for $150 or something. Somebody want them. So just get at me. You want these seats. But yeah, that's enough talking cause, man, I got to get to it today. This finna be a job. I got a lot I'm about to do today. So y'all just stay tuned. Let's get it. Okay, so we got one of the seats out. That was sitting over here. So it's time to see what we got going on. Look at this, man. Look at this. Oh, nah. You ain't finna get me like that. Spiders in here. And boy, I don't play with spiders. I don't know about y'all, but I don't play with spiders. Period. But anyway, alright. That's enough for the comedy. I'm observing what I got going on. And it looked like a half inch. You're gonna have 4 bolts. I don't know what these seats came out. I don't know what these seats came out of, but I know it's 4 bolts. So we about to get these out. Then I'm gonna get all the seats out. They're my job. They're my attack plan for the day. Get all the seats out, and then pull the carpet up. I need to go get a razor. Oh, I gotta take these pieces out, these side pieces and stuff. So that's my plan for the day. Cause like I said, this is a job. I gotta take the door panels off, all this stuff, man. This is a job. So finna get my tools, get everything together, and then we finna get to it. So let's make it happen. So we right here rolling. Ratchet wrenches finally finna get some action. So glad wifey bought me these ratchet wrenches. Cause this right here is what they perfect for, stuff like this. So like I said, they 13 millimeters, half inch. Get them out. Then I got the long one, I got the short one. So right there, this short one going to work. It shouldn't take long. Get these seats out of here and get the carpet up. Cause y'all seen the carpet. Well, I'm gonna show you detail, and I'm gonna really show you the carpet. It's really not car carpet. It's not auto carpet. So you know. But we are getting these zipped out, and while I'm doing that, I might as well give y'all some real talk while I'm getting to it or whatever. And I want to talk about pretty much, man, when you coming up and all that. You know, when you coming up in life or whatever, you know, people be want you to stay the same, and that's why people get mad at you, man, cause you choose not to stay the same. Cause everybody, they want you to stay where they at, and you gotta watch out who you keep around you. Cause either they can elevate with you, or they can stay behind, get mad, or they can use you for motivation. You know, so don't let folk get to you, man, when they saying you change, you acting different and all this. You know, that's the first thing people say when you start coming up. You change, you this, you that, and the whole time it really them. They got the problem. Like, you ain't got the problem. The problem not you, it's them. So you gotta just keep that in mind. Like, don't shortchange yourself just cause of what somebody else say. Cause they saying that, they probably jealous. I mean, just to keep it all the way official. But you know, it is what it is, man. That's my little talk. I'm about to keep making it do what it do. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, got that first one out. Pretty easy to get to, I mean, especially with this bad boy right here. That's why it's good to have the tools you need. Y'all see, that's what I'm talking about. See, I gotta take all that loose, but that's what I'm talking about, the carpet. See how thin the carpet is? It's really like trunk carpet, speaker box carpet and stuff. I mean, the padding kind of wore out, but we about to change all that. That's alright. All this about to come out. And it's gonna look like brand new. So I ain't gonna pull it all up, cause I gotta take my pictures, do all the before and all that. And then we gonna make it do what it do. So the console just in right there, but it's gonna be different anyway. So I'm about to go over there, hit that seat, get that one out. And we might wrap up. Then I'm gonna pop the back seat out. And we might wrap up for today. I don't know. See how I'm feeling. All I can say, stay tuned. Y'all gonna want to see the before. It's going down. Okay, so I'm sitting right here, and I just noticed it wasn't even no bolts in the back of this. Back of this seat. So this one definitely gonna move fast. And like I said, that was loose. Boy, look. Hey, I would have made so much torque. I would have threw myself out and broke the seat. Nah, I'm just capping, man. It ain't gonna make that much power. Y'all don't listen to me. It ain't gonna make that much power. Should be okay, but not like that. Let me see if the other one loose. Y'all think the other one loose? Let me see. Nope. So I got one. And these, like I said, most seats like this. You ain't never took out seats. And sometimes they can be real rusty where they won't turn. So it's good to have you some penetrating oil just to be on the safe side too. So we'll get that out. See, two in the front. Then I'll show y'all the brackets too. I'll show y'all the brackets on the seat so y'all can see. So just stay tuned, y'all. Oh, then while the seats out, I'm gonna be doing the wires and stuff too. That's what it was. I said I'm gonna be doing the harness, cause I got the harness for the Impala seats to make the power seat work. So we'll get this done, and y'all stay tuned. Okay, so I got the two front seats out. That's the hard part. You know, we gotta hit the back seat, which is simple. So this is how we looking. That's how we looking now. I'm telling y'all, hey, I can see it now already. I can see it with the seats already, just the front seats that I can see. When I put that new carpet in here, it's gonna change the whole look of the car. I promise you. You'll be surprised what carpet do for a car. So, about to get that one out. And there go the driver's seat. The Impala driver's seat going in there. Clean it all up. Gonna take it to my cuzzo Dink. Look, my cuzzo Little Crazy Whips Edition, his big brother, which is also my cousin, of course. He do detailing, so he gonna be putting his hands on this car. Cause I told y'all I'm gonna keep it paint like this temporary to keep it for the budget portion of it. Let him clean these seats up and all that good stuff. So we talk about these tracks. Now I'm bringing the ladies, cause this the driver's seat. This the driver's seat. Y'all see originally 4 bolts go in the back. Like I said, I don't know. I can tell these tracks was off some car they loose. But I don't know what these seats came out of. But you can put any seat in any car basically. You really can. So here go the this the Impala seat, and clearly some modification gonna have to be done. Cause right here, see these latch on a bracket in the front, and then you got the back two, which will probably bolt up. So I'm about to study this and see how I'm gonna figure this out. Now the easy route is putting the old tracks on this seat and just having the look. But me, I want to make all of this work. I want to make this motor work, inflate the back of the seats, all that stuff. So now if I get too frustrated, I tell you right now, I will take the easy route out. That's just how I do. Cause I'm not putting that much time into the car. Well, I already put time, but I ain't going overkill. So, but that's the easy route. Like I said, you can take these out. I mean, it's very simple to put these tracks on this seat. I mean, that's very simple. But I'm gonna try to figure this out. It's just the front. It's just this front part right here. And you know what? I need to go back and see if the part this hook to made into the floor, but I think it is. I don't think it's bolted on the floor of the Impala. Cause if it is, oh, it's a wrap for real then. If they part where it hook on to, somebody in the comment tell me. Y'all probably already know. Somebody know, but I'll figure that out later. But right now, finna get this back seat out, and then I'm gonna get some pictures of the carpet, cause I've been taking pictures of the build and everything I'm doing. Then I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, so y'all see I got the bottom seat out. I ain't recording cause hey look, I'm trying to focus. But I'll show you how I do. When you taking the back seat out, see it just clip in there. So you sit down right here in the front and you push the seat back towards the rear of the car, and then you can lift it out the latches right there. Y'all see it just clip in there. It literally just slides in place. Then to get the back seat out, you got some star bolts down there. They also hold your seat belt buckles in too. So you take them star bolts out, and then you can lift the bottom of that back seat up, and then it'll unlatch from the back right there, and that'll be it. We have all the interior out. So let me get on that, and then we're gonna investigate. Okay, so I got that top piece out, and hey, I gotta say it every vlog. I'm so glad I bought that impact. Boy, hey, that thing ain't no joke. Man, I done took these things out. Boy, I had to do it by hand. Them stars ain't no joke. Put that thing on that Milwaukee. Nothing. I'm talking about 1 minute. Quick work. Real quick work. So get you an impact, man. It's worth it. You might not even have to have a big boy like that, but them bolts be tight. I'm talking about, man, I ain't never took interior out this fast. Cause I got the right tools. I had the ratchet wrench, like I said, 13mm. That wasn't too long. I mean, thanks to wifey. Like that's what she had got for Christmas. So I got these. I zipped them seats out fast. That impact got that back seat out quick. And they're a T47. It's a T47 Torx bit. So that's what you'll need. A T47. That'll get it out. A lot of GM bolts are T47. Cause before I bought a whole Torx bit set, I remember buying just that one bit, cause a lot of the GM bolts were T47. So that's it. Let me see. So we got the top half out with the old. So all these are out. Like I said, I don't know if anybody want them, but man, bring me $150. You can have them, man. You might clean them up and make them happy. It might make it do what it do. But 147. I mean, I said 147 tripping. 150, man, y'all can have them. They're just a little giveaway price. I mean, they still some good seats. I mean, they can be recovered, and you know, the tracks on them good and all that, cause I'm probably not gonna use the track. But we got the interior is out, it's stripped. So I need to come here with my shop vac and vacuum it all out. I'm gonna vacuum all this stuff out real good. And then I'm gonna start taking these hard pieces out. Cause y'all see now, look at it now. Look at it now. Look at it good. The dash actually great. The dash great. I'm blessed with that. Like, that's a blessing. I ain't gotta touch the dash, but headline, I ain't gotta touch the headline. I just need clips in that piece right there. Cause it hanging down. But I just need to get the clips and pop that back up. I'll be good right there. But well, it's a little sad right there. I don't know. I might redo it. But look at it now. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Cause when I put the new carpet in alone, it's gonna look different. But like I said, they're probably gonna be a 2 or 3 part video, cause this is really a job. It's a job. So this was my first part 1, taking the interior out. And part 2, let me see. Part 2 is going to be probably getting the carpet installed. So we probably gonna throw the carpet in on part 2, cause I need to go get a razor, like I said, just in case I have to cut some excess off. I have it. I don't want to start it right now, and I ain't got a razor, and then I'm at a standstill anyway, and I done unfold that carpet and all that. So when I unfold that carpet, it's going in this car, cause you're supposed to unfold it and let it sit in the sun and all that, so all the wrinkles come out. And yes, I have the carpet. I don't think I showed y'all on camera, but I can't remember. But the carpet came in probably last week. So I got the carpet already. The right carpet. I got real carpet, like cut and molded for this car, cut pile carpet. I think it was $165 or something like that. So that's that. So we out with this. This is all gone, like I said, and then we going in with these. I think I'm gonna take the back seat out and kind of mess with the back seat a little bit and see what they're gonna take to put it in off a camera card. I mean, ain't no need in showing, cause when I get it figured out, I'm gonna show y'all, cause they're gonna be part 3 of the video, actually putting the seats in. So part 2 you're gonna want to stay tuned in. Is I'm gonna be taking the interior pieces, the hard pieces out. I'm gonna be taking door panels off, taking all the pillars and all of that. I'm gonna be taking that out, and getting that stuff ready, and then putting the carpet in. All this gonna be part 2. The last part is gonna be putting the seats in. So yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, just showing y'all the work. So four bolts in the seats. You got studs in the floor, and then we're gonna get all this pulled out and vacuum and all that stuff. So hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.